The village of Oakhaven nestled in a valley, cradled by rolling hills and ancient forests. Two young students, Alex and Ravi, stood at the foot of Mount Cinder, its peak a distant, sun-kissed point. Alex, clad in climbing gear, a heavy pack strapped to his back, stared up the steep, rocky path. His jaw was set, determination etched on his face. Ravi, with a lighter pack, approached Elder Elara, a villager with eyes as deep as the forest itself. She pointed towards a hidden trail, barely visible amongst the trees. Alex began his ascent, muscles burning. The path was treacherous, loose rocks skittering beneath his boots with each step. He slipped, scraped his knees, and pushed onward, gritting his teeth. His progress was slow and arduous. Meanwhile, Ravi, following Elder Alara's directions, moved with surprising ease. The hidden trail wound through a lush forest, dappled sunlight filtering through the leaves. The air was cool and fragrant, the path relatively smooth. He felt a sense of calm and confidence. From afar, Master Krishna, their wise teacher, observed. His expression was serene, a gentle smile playing on his lips. He understood the contrasting paths the boys had chosen, one of brute force, the other of shrewd observation and guidance. The sun began to dip below the horizon, painting the sky in fiery hues of orange and pink. Ravi emerged onto the summit, breathless but triumphant. In his hand, he held a legendary golden blossom, its petals shimmering like captured sunlight. The setting sun cast a magnificent halo behind him, making him appear almost ethereal. Far below, Alex was still climbing, his body weary, his clothes torn, but his spirit unbroken. He was far from the summit, but his determination remained